we can't spell success without you. PowerPlan Project presents. Thank you for sending in your question. This is our answer.
I would love to try your bread recipe, but I can't find bread flour anywhere in the local shops or supermarket. Is there a way of making the bread without it?
Well, first of all, thank you very much for the question, and thank you very much for your support with the channel. You join me here on a beautiful summer's day where I live, as we can tell, and yes, the hair trimmers did kind of work pretty good. I'm just going to sort this bit out now. To answer your question, is the supermarkets at the moment are stocking plain flour, and it can be pretty easy to find. What I also find is that you can find it in corner shops, so always keep an eye out for it. Don't buy it on eBay. 6, 10, 15 pound a bag is absolutely ridiculous. So buy it from supermarkets or shops. Just keep your eyes peeled. You will find it. It does take a little bit of time, but you will find it. The only thing what you need to do is weigh out 150 grams of plain flour and then add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And that's it. Give it a little mix and then just use it as bread flour as we had in this old video here. So good luck, try it. A couple of photographs. There you go, it works. It's just as good. Give it a go. So thank you very much for your question. Thank you very much for your support. Good luck with the plan and good luck with the bread making.
If you have enjoyed this video, then please provide your support by liking this video and subscribing to this YouTube channel. If you are watching on Facebook, then please like and share this video with your family and friends. And as always, thank you for viewing.